This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your PS4 controller that keeps disconnecting. So the first thing we want to try is with the controller plugged in and turned on or something. It doesn't have to be plugged in, but on the back of it, there is a little reset hole right here. We can just take a toothpick and press this down. And after like 2 or 3 seconds, the controller will turn off and reset. And then we can just try connecting it here again and then log in with a profile. So we can try that first. Now another thing that we can do is if you have another controller, a second controller, we want to use this and go up to the top and log in here and go on over to settings. We can disconnect and repair the controller. So go on down to where it says devices now. Then go to Bluetooth devices. Now select your controller and then under here press options and then go to forget. So you're not able to do this with your first controller, otherwise it's just going to give you the option to disconnect. You won't have the option to forget. So you want to use a different device, maybe your phone with remote play, your TV remote. It's just hard to look for the options button. The options button might not appear on your TV remote. So you might just need a second controller, or you could try a keyboard and mouse that's connected. But let's go to forget device. Go on over to OK. And this is what usually fixes my weird issues I have with my controller. And then we can just hold down the share button and the PlayStation button. And then the light will blink. And then we can re-add it down here. And if it doesn't connect and it doesn't pair, we can just plug it in with a USB cable. That's usually what's working for me. And a lot of times when I do have it connected with my USB cable, it disconnects because, I don't know, something with these old USB cables, they just disconnect a lot now for some reason. So I've noticed that with this one. So if I am using it with Bluetooth, it's a little bit better. So we can go on over to controllers under here and we can change the USB method. Maybe if it's disconnecting a lot with Bluetooth, try USB cable connected, or you can go to Bluetooth if you have USB cable selected. So just go ahead and try that as well. Now another thing that we might want to try is launching our PlayStation into the safe mode and then rebuilding the database. So hold down the power button and then we want to go to power and turn it off. So let's do this. So I'm going to connect my controller and then go to the power button and turn off. Now we are going to need our controller plugged in with the USB cable to operate the safe mode menu. Otherwise it won't work, so make sure you have this connected. Wait for the light to stop blinking, and then we can hold down the power button. So you can see it's blinking still, and then we're going to press it down once, and then keep holding it until we hear a second beep. So you can see this blinking, hold this down. Alright, so I heard that one beep, now I should hear a second beep. So just continue to hold this down, there's a second beep, let's go back up. And here it is. Go on down to option number 5, I believe, rebuild database now. Press the PlayStation button, rebuild database, and go to OK. Now it says it may take a few hours. My experience only takes like 20 seconds. And if you have any kind of corrupted data or whatever on your PlayStation, this should go ahead and fix it. Also, make sure you have enough storage space on your PlayStation for whatever reason. Maybe you have something connected and that's causing an issue. So just free up some storage space and make sure everything is connected and it's not disconnecting. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.